Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain the poem from the textbook of class 10, The First Flight. After watching this video, you will be able to answer the figure of speech and rhyme scheme used in this poem, and also you will be able to get meanings of difficult words. So let's begin. Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. So this poem was sung by me right now, and so now you will look meaning of this poem. This short poem by the Robert Frost throws light upon unimaginable healing power of nature and tiny things. The first stanza of The Dust of Snow says that the way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. This means from a bad mood to ill health, there is nothing that can be cured by nature, and the author was experiencing one such bad day when a crow's movement near a hemlock tree dusted snow upon him. In the next stanza, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. He meant that the snow instantly makes him happier and his day gets a lot better. Thus, the supremacy of a nature as a whole made him realize how petty his problem was. Overall, if we look the fact that the hemlock tree is poisonous combined with the crow being the indicator of doom and fear are used in the poem as the carriers of happiness in the life of narrator, which is ironical. The poet, through these objects, has tried to highlight that sometimes creatures linked with negative aspects of life can be the bringer of change and happiness. Being outdoors in nature with all its unpredictability can benefit anyone, anywhere, at any time. Now let's move towards the difficult words and look its meaning. First word is hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a poisonous plant or a tree with a small white flowers, and it is generally found in the parts of Nepal, India, Bhutan, Myanmar, Vietnam and Tibet. Second word is rude. Rude means to regret or something one has done or allowed to happen and wish it undone. Now let's see the figure of speech used in this poem. Robert Frost has used multiple figure of speeches, namely metaphor, alliteration, synecdoche and assonance. First we will look about metaphor. Metaphor used when poet compared the falling snowflakes from the hemlock tree to the dust. And alliteration. Alliteration used in the line has given my heart, and also the line and saved some part, as same as the consonants are used repeatedly in those lines. Synecdoche is used where the poet said his heart undergone a change in mood, which actually represents its entire personality. Assonance is used to show repetition of vowels in several lines of this poem for the sake of rhyme. Now let's move towards the rhyme scheme of this poem. The poem Dust of Snow has two quatrains of four-lined stanzas. The entire poem is enjambed so that the two stanzas form a continuous sentence. The rhyme scheme of the Dust of Snow poem in the first stanza is A, B, A, B, and also in the second stanza is C, D, C, D. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. In next video, I will be providing you question and answer or the exercises question of this poem. Thank you.